Oh, Sammy. You got too high. Hope you feel better. Sammy smoked too much weed. And, what this means is that he sucks. And he's a bitch. Sammy.